You can use VIVE Ultimate Trackers with your SteamVR-compatible headset to enjoy high-performance full-body tracking. Here's how. Connect the dongle to the dongle cradle. Connect the dongle cradle to a USB Type-C port on your computer using the included USB Type-C data cable. Download and install VIVE Hub on your computer. When you open the VIVE Hub installer, make sure to select the VIVE Ultimate Tracker service. You can download VIVE Hub at this link. Open VIVE Hub and go to Settings. Select VIVE Ultimate Tracker, and then on the Trackers tab, click Pair New. Pick up your tracker and turn it on. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to enter pairing mode. The status LED will start flashing blue. When your tracker is paired and connected, a tracker icon will appear. You can pair up to 5 trackers at a time. When you're finished pairing all your trackers, click Done. In VIVE Hub, select VIVE Ultimate Tracker, and then on the Trackers tab, click Start Setup. Pick up the tracker with the flashing green LED and press the power button. Hold the tracker still with the tracker's cameras facing the computer screen. If you're sitting down, stand up and hold the tracker about 120 centimeters above the floor. With the tracker's cameras still facing the computer screen, slowly walk backwards until you're about 150 centimeters away from the screen, and then press the power button on the tracker. Your position will be set as the center of your play area. Now scan your environment. First, you'll need to scan it from a low angle. While facing the computer screen, kneel down and point the tracker up, down, left, and right until the ring is completely filled in. Do the same for the other 3 sides of your play area. Next, scan your environment again using the same steps as before, but this time, do it while standing up. After scanning your environment, if you see that certain areas of your map can be improved, click Refine and scan those areas again. Connect your SteamVR-compatible headset to your computer, then turn on your headset and controllers. In SteamVR, make sure your headset, controllers, and trackers have been detected. Put on your headset and pick up your controllers. Press the menu button to open the SteamVR dashboard, then select VIVE Space Calibrator. Select the controller you want to use to calibrate the tracker. Next, grip both the controller and tracker securely in one hand with the tracker's cameras facing outward, then press the power button on the tracker. With the controller and tracker in one hand, slowly trace an infinity sign in the air. Make the infinity sign as large as you can while keeping a slow and steady pace. Keep tracing until the progress bar is full. Click Done. A virtual model of the controller and tracker you're holding will appear in VR. If you've paired other trackers, pick them up and virtual models of those trackers will also appear. And that's it. Now you can experience precise and accurate tracking with the VIVE Ultimate Tracker while using your preferred SteamVR-compatible headset.